Hey guys, so it's day 2 in Florida. It's about 8:30 and we're gonna go fishing. That's why I have my stuff on. And yeah, I will film a little bit when I'm there. Dolphin right on the shore. Hey guys, so we are collecting shells and I found a bunch, but one in particular, I found a perfect mini sand dollar. But he's like wiggling around. So we were fishing and we went shelling and all of that, and then fog rolled in, and then our motor is not working. So we are getting towed right now. As you can see, there's dense fog behind me. So yeah, we're waiting for a towboat. We're still kind of fishing because we're waiting here. We're not catching any fish. So I'll update you guys later on what we're doing.
Well, we were out in the pass, started to hook up to some fish. As soon as Mike called Laren, the boat broke down. So
it's Uncle Laren's fault.
Here we go. Alright, we're still being pulled in by Towboat US. We're all just here conversing, but look at this fog. It's 360. And when we first broke down, that's what happened, is the fog rolled in. We were right in the middle of Boca Grande Pass, so it was a little scary.
Okay, we're at Fuzzy's Boat Shack for dinner.
Boom boom shrimp.
Boom, boom, boom.
So we just got food. I forgot to take a video, but we're all done. Was it good? Yeah. We got our own fish today, and then we cooked them, or they cooked them for us, so.